Woodpeckers here. It flew over. It yelled like hell on the way over. There it is, there it is, there it is. God damn it! See what I mean about these damn equipment? Son of a bitch. You gotta open it and push the button 3 times. Son of a bitch. And I pointed up and it's doing this, some kind of follow thing. It's up there, guys. I'll get myself comfortable and get in for the long haul. It makes this noise almost like the grackles, but it's like longer. Remember Woody Woodpecker, but not quite. Big old airplane up there. See, it's doing it. It's doing it. As I pointed up, it slid down and touched the middle of my thumb there, the little web between your finger and your thumb, and then changed. That's what kind of design is that? There it is, there it is, there it is, guys and gals. Right in there somewhere. I'll go get my glasses on here in a minute. I was only half prepared for this. I have a bear video I put up. I hope you guys and gals get a chance to see it. Why can't I find my damn glasses? It's tough getting old, guys. All the shit you need just to do a damn thing like look at something. Bullshit. He's up there and he is not gonna move now. Or he flew away when my bad eyes didn't see him. And I broke my 3 little legs that fits on the bottom of my gimbal. And now I can't stand it up. I gotta go look through all my stuff. It was real nice. I could just leave it standing there and grab it real quick. Oh. Do you hear the hawk is flying all around, driving me nuts too. I know that guy's up there somewhere. I'll cut all this crap out and keep the best video for you. Well, I guess I might have to give up on this. He could have flown away. He hasn't made any noise. You know who's yelling, don't you? It's either the... Bet she flew out of there when I wasn't looking. Oh no, I heard that. You hear that? He's up there. We've got to pick him out now, guys and gals. There he is, there he is, there he is. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm having trouble with people again. Oh, the hawk. That noise is the woodpecker. He's right there. No, guys and gals. There he is, there he is, there he is. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, the hawk. That noise is the woodpecker. He's right there. Damn it. I'm not doing good for you guys. I'm having a hard time. The hawk was in the tree. Where'd that woodpecker go? Son of a bitch, it's hard. The hawk distracted me. I hope we got him on video. He was up in the tree, quiet. I told you he was around. There's 2 of them, so one of them can be far off. Did you guys see him fly away? I gotta do the up and down glass thing. Oh, there he is. I'm sorry, guys. Storage. I'm gonna have to lose ya. I'll dump this crap real fast. I got 1.5 gigabytes free. I'm sure that woodpecker's not here. The hawk is. The hawks are in these trees all the time. I hope that it showed up when he flew away when I was trying to find the woodpecker. What the hell is that, guys and gals? No clue. Thought it was a hawk, but it sounded very weird. Are you guys seeing it? There it is. it is. Oh, guys and gals, I hope I got that. Damn hawk called me to show me that it was going to fly away, and all I could see it. I can't see it in the camera. I got to put the glasses on, but I don't have time after I'm looking up in the trees with no glasses. Man, I hope we got that. That'd be worth it, wouldn't it? Finally, I got the hawk. I just got this stuff. I told you that the other one flew away. I'm going to put these two videos, the woodpecker and the hawk, together, and I'll call it the woodpecker and the hawk. Woodpecker still could be up there. There's 2 hawks and 1 woodpecker all in the pine tree. That's pretty cool. What's that over there? I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Top of them pine trees. You know those hawks love to sit on the top, tippity top of them pine trees. And it was cool. Okay, guys, I'll close this out. I almost can't wait to go check everything. I got so much video to put up, guys. I have no time to do it. I got the bear video out last night. Had a real good time in the morning with the crackles, the motel grackle. A lot of people, you know, they want to look for the bear and the fox and all that, but I'm really having a good time with the birds. So anyway, take for instance these 2 birds, woodpecker, and I know I don't have a good shot of the woodpecker, but I could have. Man, he flew right over my head. Oh well, I'll catch you later. Keep your eye out. Lots of videos going. Show your friends. Every day this stuff happens, guys. Every day we're out in the middle of the wilderness, we get to capture it.